While I'm here, I'm going to show you how to set up a mortiser. You have a drill bit that works inside a chisel. That's exactly what a mortiser is. And if you look at the drill bit, you're going to notice that's kind of a funny looking end on it. And what this is made to do, this is made to pull the chips up and exit them out through the chisel. And there's the chisel. You make sure you're, I always like the exit port on the chisel in front. Now, the problem most people run into is setting up. And if you run your chisel all the way up into the bit, you're going to have an issue with the chisel. The chips can't get past the seal that the drill bit is causing inside of the chisel. So the drill bit actually has to set down a little bit to give it clearance to be able to pull the chips up. Here's a neat way of doing it. Take a quarter. Put the quarter between the chisel and the plate that holds it. See if I can do it the other hand. Okay, that creates a space. Snug up the chisel. Then bring your drill bit up into the bottom of the chisel, where you're not supposed to be. Tighten up the drill bit. Now, loosen the chisel. Remove the quarter. Take the chisel all the way up. That'll give you correct spacing down here. Okay? Now comes another issue, and that issue is, and that issue is getting the chisel straight. Okay, if you look over here at this little one, this bar, what this is a hold down. And simply by reversing it, you can go, from a smaller piece to a taller piece. That's simple. But to set this drill bit straight, all you have to do is set this down in here. Make sure you're straight across with your fence, and bring your bit down, then adjust up to it, and make sure your bit is straight. On the big one, all we have to do is adjust, because it cranks, adjust it up and make sure it's straight. Now, if you find you're not getting as much clearance as you want, then all you have to do is go back and reset your chisel. This time use a nickel.